The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.
Welcome back to Bloom. Everybody wants to live the life of a rock star, full of rhythm and all the right moves. But if you've lost the energy and passion, you might want to explore your hormone health. Joining us now is age management specialist Tami Oberbroeckling from Tampa Bay Total Wellness, along with rock musician Pecchio, who plays the bass for Stormbringer, and his biggest fan and partner, Heather Spence, to share their hormone replacement journey. Thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Gail. Thank you for having us.
So, Eddie and Heather, I know you have quite the love story. Tell me about it.
Well, we met 5 years ago, almost to the day, and it keeps getting better. And thanks to Dr. Tami, who facilitates it getting better and better all the time, if that's even possible.
Yeah, and I love, well, I'm on hormone replacement therapy as well, thanks to Tami, and I would say, like, as we move throughout our lives, we want to stay passionate, we want to stay moving and having all that energy, and you guys feel the same way. I mean, I feel so energetic, and I know you guys share the same story.
It's a mood and energy, and that translates into the family place. I mean, it's a happier person to be around, and it's healthy.
It is healthy, and I know you guys already had a great love life, but it even takes that to the next level, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. We always had quite a spark in our relationship, so that wasn't really at issue. But our age, getting older, for me personally, with perimenopause, going into it, it was quite the abrupt transition, and Dr. Tami helped me with easing that, and at this point it's pretty much, the symptoms are pretty much reversed for me. I have better mood and energy, and I feel like a teenager again.
Yeah, and I think that's what it's all about. It's like you're reclaiming your youth, and it's amazing, and it has so many other health benefits as well.
It is. You know, everyone thinks hormones are just for sexual activity or keeping us out of menopause or the symptoms, but hormones are regulators in the whole body. And bringing them back and optimizing them kind of brings us back to our 30-year-old self, you know, full of energy, our body working well, the weight loss, and the wellness of mind. So it's really just about restoring our youth. Yeah,
and hormone replacement therapy today with the bioidentical, I mean, it really, I read study after study, it's just so beneficial for our health. I mean, it cuts down from reports I've read on dementia, heart disease. I mean, it's a way to boost your health as you age.
It is, and the word bioidentical just means it's identical to our human hormone. And so we're supplementing back that hormone that's been lost to kind of keep us in that youthful state where our body can heal and repair itself.
What would you guys say to other couples that are out there watching when it comes to hormone replacement therapy?
Be open-minded about it and look into it. It starts at the mind first. It really makes you younger up here, and then it translates physically.
How about you?
I think everyone should try it. Just try it. It really will change your life for the better, and I have never heard anyone regret it.
Right, yeah, I think that's the one thing. And you're still playing with a band? I mean, it's all still rocking and rolling out there?
Yeah, we have a 30-year anniversary, June 1st at the Capitol Theater in
Wow.
downtown Clearwater. The same 5 of us have been together for 30 years. And I look to do another 30 after hanging out with Dr. Tami.
That is awesome. Tami, what would you say to folks out watching?
This is my passion. So I love people, and I love couples like this, and I love the challenge of just bringing people back into their whole self.
Well, I know you guys appreciate it. I appreciate it, Tami. And thank you guys for coming on Bloom to share your story.
Thank you, Gail.
Thank you, Gail.
And know your hormone levels and get your spark back. You can start your own hormone journey with Tampa Bay Total Wellness and their age management specialist by calling 813-609-4150 or go to tampabaytotalwellness.com. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.